Welcome to another tutorial. Today I show you how to compress photos. For example, if you make a website and your pictures are too big, then it slows down your loading speed. I do this job and I got some photos here to compress. So this is a live tutorial. And we start with going to canva.com. You find the link in the video description, and basically you can use the free version of Canva. And then, when Canva is ready, we create a new design here on top of the right side. And with an individual size, and the size from these pictures of this website is 1440 960. Okay? But you can use any other size you want. And then with drag and drop, we move the photo in Canva . Here it is, and here on the left side you can see when the photo is ready uploaded, and scale a photo here so that it fits the full white area. And this is a really big photo, so it takes a while uploading. But now it is ready. And in the paid plan of Canva, you have many other cool features like this here. You can change the size again. And many other cool things. It costs almost like $10 monthly. And it is worth. You can do a lot of cool things with Canva, okay? And here we give our file a name. And then we go to download. And you can see here the file type is PNG, but we change it into JPEG because PNG is high quality, and for a website, JPEG is enough. Click on download. And now the photo is ready. And now I move the file on my desktop to compare it here with the original. You can see here. This is the new one, and we got 245 kilobyte. And here, this is the old one with 13.3 megabyte. This is a big difference, but we can do some more. Just go here to tinypng.com. It is absolutely free, and just move your picture here with drag and drop. You can see it is compressing. You can see we saved 29%, okay? From 260 kilobyte into 285. And then click here on download. And if you want, you can move much more photos here inside, and you can compress them with one click, okay? This is the final picture, and I replace it. I can see here 180 kilobyte, and the original has 13.1. When you're building a website, this is the best way to compress your images. 13 megabyte is a lot, and that needs a lot of loading time. If you got some value in this video, just give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then see you. Bye.